Hi, and welcome to Hudson Goods. Today I'm standing in front of our bedroom collection, the Bombay set, but I actually wanted to show you some of our accessories, specifically the picture frames. Here's 3 of our styles. They have a great beach feel or country vintage feel. They're actually made from old boats with the original paint on them. So going green, the recycled wood. Take a closer look. This one has great bright colors on it. Solid, heavy, substantial. You can put all your family photos in them. This one comes in some neat colors, very beachy feel. This one also sort of reminds me of the beach. Nice soft blue, white border, and they're very sturdy. You don't have to worry about these. Third one is two-toned. A nice green and blue. Again, they're made from old marine boats with the original paint on them. I think they're really classic. And I think they'll look good for a country look or a beachfront home. I think you'll like them. So thanks for watching. Hope it helped. That's a wrap.